Well, those black floor mats, because of the sun have now turned gray. Let's take care of that. All right. Let's open this up. See what they sent us for new C5 floor mats. Oh, those are nice. Instead of the Corvette embroidered logo, I went with something just a little different because I'm not throwing those away that are in the car. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. So instead I got the C5 embroidered logo. Now, we're not going to just throw those in and install them. We're going to clean them and protect them first. Rid of the cardboard. So they get dirty, packing and shipping. We're going to vacuum, we're going to clean them, and we'll protect them before we throw them inside. All right, now that they're clean, we can protect them, and we're going to use our Dupli-Color 11 Interior Preserve, which is made for all materials in the interior. Leather, Alcantara, upholstery, mats, plastics. Very easy. Comes out atomized. So, go over the carpet. With a gloved hand, massage it in. Come over to the other one. Do the same thing. Let it dry for 24 hours. Put them in the car. It's as simple as that. You can do as many layers as you want to. I recommend 2 layers. Let's get these out of there. Out with the old, in with the new. And this has the locking, the hole to lock these in there so they're not sliding front. Fits perfectly. Very nice. Much, much better. There's that one. And there's that one. Both together, much, much better. All right, what are we going to do with these? Are we going to throw these away? Hell no. We're going to clean them and we're going to dye them. Then I have 2 sets of different style floor mats. When you get them clean, then you simply dye them. And there we are, 2 sets of mats. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section.